सूर्य पुष्पा जैन हो गया।
Microsoft link is the same. Okay, YouTube link will be the different. That's what is happening.
The meeting link is no change. That's good. There is no change. YouTube, I think YouTube live link is for us only actually.
Outsiders
and
student participants.
as well as faculty and all.
అదే నేను హెచ్ఓడిస్ అందరూ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తాను.
Vijayashree ma'am, this is Surya. Am I audible? Vijayashree ma'am, are you there?
Yeah, you are audible.
Ma'am, which screen you are able to see actually? The conference room, right?
Yes, yes. Conference room, both in YouTube as well as in link.
No, all are sitting
In
here.
YouTube also you are seeing, ma'am?
Yes, yes. In YouTube also. I mean. Now screen is changed in YouTube. Addressed by all dignitaries. That screen is coming.
ఏంటిది
modified sir, or Ronald thesis.
Seventh is already joined.
There already.
Mekalam Sadashiva is joined our Microsoft, just confirm.
ఇయ్యాలా?
Leader also. Team name. ఇది actually administration.
అవును
Administration team name. There. 5 ministers ఇచ్చేస్తాను. 5 ministers తో ఒకటి మన
మూడే ఉన్నాయి మూడులో రెండు రిపీట్ అయినాయి
problem statement.
Yes, seventh, yeah, we are waiting. Joined Microsoft. Yes. You make from the web browser, okay? You make web browser option that will run automatically. Will add as a guest. Yeah, you can do from web browser, then we'll add admit you as a guest. Yes, yes.
You can change the preference to another.
1 minute.
Join
Some problem. Microsoft Teams is a speaker as a guest.
జస్ట్ వస్తున్నాడా
Next upon roll అక్కడి నుంచి జాయిన్
మన అల్యూమినై సార్ సెవెంత్ గాజుల అని యాడ్ ఆన్ అని ఉన్న ఒక ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ వచ్చింది లాస్ట్ టైం మనం అనౌన్స్ చేసాం 8 months బ్యాక్. సో ఈజ్ దట్
Hi everyone. Hey guys, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
అక్కడ సదాశివ జాయిన్ Yes, Sadashiva, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Sadashiva.
Good afternoon.
Shall we start?
Yes, please, sir.
So all the members are ready. Let's start the program.
Yeah.
Good afternoon to each and everyone. I welcome Smart India Hackathon 2020 Software Edition mandatory function.
Microphones off. Mute all of them.
I Professor V. Harikiran, Head of the Department Computer Science, convener. I welcome all the participants, parents, students, and each and everyone. Warm welcome to the mandatory function. Now I invite our Vice Chancellor, Dr. L.S. Reddy garu to speak on this occasion.
Good afternoon, everybody. Guest of today's function, Mr. Gajula Sravanth, co-founder of the startup, proud alumni of this university. The guest, Sadashiva, Spark ACT and MHRD, my colleagues Verma, Chairman Organizing Committee of this event, HOD CSC Harikiran, convener of the event, Rajshekhar and others. A very good event is coming to the end. 3 days back, we have inaugurated this event and we have conducted successfully, very successfully. It's so nice to see the 3 days passed and students have come out successfully in giving solutions to all the problems posed to them. I congratulate AICT and MHRD for this great event, Smart India Hackathon 2020 Software Edition, which is conducted virtually. I'm very sure it's a great opportunity for all the students. And I congratulate all the students for coming to this final stage and trying to explore the solutions to the problems posed to them, trying to give various solutions to the problems posed to them. It's a really Herculean task organized by MHRD, Innovation Cell, ACTE, challenging the young minds to provide solutions to the societal problems. It's a really great opportunity for all the students. They have utilized it. Now it's the time for knowing the results of this event. Probably in an hour's time, everybody will be knowing who are all the winners. In my personal considered opinion, who is winning this is not a great thing. Participating in this event, coming to the final itself is a great achievement for every student who has come to this final stage. It's a great experience. It's exposure to all of you who can really do wonders in your future endeavors. I'm sure that all the students have really enjoyed these 3 days of challenge hackathon, SIH 2020 Software Edition. They have really must have given constructive solutions to the problems posed to them. They really work with all the friends, young minds. They have really must have found the solutions to the problems which are really useful and implementable by the authorities concerned. I wish this event, which was conducted very successfully, and we are very proud to be the nodal center for this event. We were also nodal center for the very first edition of this in 2017, which was conducted physically. We are equally proud that even today for software edition 2020, we are nodal center. We'll definitely encourage these kind of national events in our campus. We'll come forward to extend our facilities, infrastructure, and all the facilities, and work with the national teams to do this kind of great events. Finally, I congratulate all the winners and all the participants who have come to the final stage. I really congratulate AICT and MHRD Innovation Cell for conducting this great event, giving golden opportunity for all the students to expose, get experience, and also to become some great leaders in future. Thank you one and all. Thank you for giving me opportunity. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your wonderful words. Really, during this pandemic situation, it's a challenging issue for all the students. Even beyond their limits, they come out with implementations and all successful completion of 3 events. Now, I request our director, G. Pathasarathi Varma Garu, to speak on this occasion.
Very good afternoon to everyone here, and firstly, welcome and the Honorable Vice Chancellor of the University, Dr. L.S.S. Reddy Garu, and the guest of honor, Godula Srevanth, and Sadasivam, who worked from last 20 days with us actually, and he's the main person behind this activity of Smartini Hackathon, and our HOD of Computer Science, Harikiran, and Rajshekhar, Innovation Cell, and Michaela is the key person behind the activity is happening at this place. On this occasion, I really, it's pleasure for me to talk on this occasion, and this type of events is a platform for bringing out the talents. It's a platform for bringing out the talents and skill sets into the activity to solve the realistic problems and societal needs of this activity at this place. So students have done very well in this process, and I really appreciate the efforts made by the IT coordinators of this team, and I also appreciate the activity of this Dale University at this place, and really the mentors have done a very well job actually, and other side the evaluators and jury has done their job in last 4 days in a fantastic way, and they observed, and it was a big tough time to identify the best out of it, out of the lot at this place. The other side, the key persons and the stakeholders of this activity is the students and the participants has done very well, and this activity went in an unimaginable way, and this is a great event in this world actually, which is the biggest event in virtual media in this occasion, and I really appreciate that actually this is going to be the Guinness World Book of Records actually in this process. The other side, the support given by the Prime Minister and the support given by the ministries is appreciable in this occasion. And it was being a part of this process, we being a nodal center, and the Department of Computer Science has done a fantastic way in this activity, and the industry people are involved in it. And our side, there are 5 in the ministries was involved in it: Central Warehousing Corporation, and Tripura Institute of Technology, National Mission for Clean Ganga, and Water and R&D, Clean Water Commission of Ministry, and Central Water Commission of Ministry in this place. So these problems was identified, and the mentors was done very well. The ministries was taken part of this activity in this case. I really appreciate the effort made by everyone in this occasion, and this type of activities should go on to make the innovation ranking in this world, being in the top 10 in this occasion. And we have, Indian mindset having a lot of ideas, a lot of implementation technologies, and we are very strong in the activity out there here. And this type of platform brings you into the process and makes you to a very confident that you can solve any type of problem in this world to take up the challenges in this place. Being in a pandemic situation of COVID-19 also, we were able to solve the problem of hackathon in a virtual mode. I really appreciate Gambhir and others area for this activity. A wonderful activity in this world and making this a Guinness Book of Record activity at this place. I thank everyone for giving me this opportunity, and I also congratulate the ACT team and MHRD team to making it a grand success. And the students has done very well and identified the solutions to the problems. And I thank everyone for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your wonderful works. It's really amazing that all the IT coordinators, evaluators had a tough job with them for all the last 3 days. They come out with, we hope, it's a good result and good outcome. I request Professor Harikiran to speak on this occasion.
A very good evening, everyone. It's a wonderful occasion to see such a massive hackathon come into reality, especially online. I think the first success is there itself. With the limitations that we had during the COVID, I think we utilized all those limitations. We dared to move forward, and I appreciate AICTE and MHRD for taking up this brave step of conducting Smart India Hackathon in an online mode. That gives a lot of hope to the student community, because at the moment, that hope is crucial during the pandemic. So irrespective of what limitations the circumstances pose to us, it is always important for us to come out successfully, right? And that is what this team has shown to the entire nation. And it is definitely a record-breaking event, and it is worth getting into records, right? And on behalf of KL University, I thank all the members who have put in their best efforts continuously for extended hours, both as IT coordinators, as well as evaluators, and also as volunteers. This entire team's effort is clearly visible in every small aspect. The event has run as if it has run physically and as if we have done it so many times before, though this is the first time we are doing it ever online. And the major credit to this also should be given to the AICTE Sparks, because the way they have trained every organization with the tools is something which is commendable. It is an exercise at a very massive scale, and from CSE department, I personally understand how big an exercise that is. So you have done a fantastic job in training every one of us in all these new tools. They are not used tools, they're all new tools for most of the organizations. Tools like Slack, tools like Teams, WebEx, Zoom, all these have been new tools on the block. So you have done a commendable job in training all of us, and the first appreciation comes in the very thought of training us on all these tools, because the very thought itself sounds very scary, right? So, and if that is what the effort of the organization team is, then the effort put in by the students is praiseworthy, because they, irrespective of the physical boundaries, physical limitations they have, they formed as teams and they have done a commendable job. They came up with very innovative solutions, and as our Honorable Vice Chancellor has mentioned, winning is not the criteria. I think you're all winners the moment you decided to participate online. So every team is a winning team. You have done an immense job in coordinating online and coming up with some innovative ideas. I very much understand that the evaluators might have had a splendid time all the 3 days talking to you, listening to all your innovative ideas. I could already see some of the evaluators nodding their head in joy, saying that it has really been a good experience. So good luck all the students, the winning team as well as the other teams. Make sure you're carrying this effort forward in your career and ensuring that you're turning into some of the most successful entrepreneurs. Right? Thank you everyone for this wonderful opportunity. On behalf of the Computer Science and Engineering Department, I appreciate and I thank everyone's efforts into making this event a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Harikiran Garu. You are absolutely right. The work behind these 3 days is a lot, and AICTE has taken a lot of pain in training us on the Slack platform especially. Most of us are new, And it's really nice to say one important IT coordinators have taken continuous monitoring of all the student participants in their Google meeting continuously till 9 p.m. every day. So I really thankful to each and everyone. I invite now Mr. Gajula Shravant, who is guest of honor for today. Mr. Gajula Shravant was the alumni of this institute. He was a co-founder of Add-on-Mo, a startup which runs in majority of the metros in India. Now I welcome Shravant to have a wonderful speech with us.
అన్మ్యూట్ చేయమని చెప్పు. అన్న మీరు అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి.
Am I?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I was on mute and I was trying to ask if I was audible. Thank you, Rajshekhar Garu, for inviting me over, and great to be part of this virtual meeting, and that too in the presence of our Honorable Vice Chancellor and rest of the dignitaries. So firstly, let me start by congratulating each and every participant of Hackathon and who made it this far into Hackathon. And across the world, guys, like hackathons are the precursors for great startups to come across. So to be honest, personally, I can be a standing epitome, a standing example for that. So when I was working as a program manager at Microsoft earlier to this company, Satya Nadella became the new CEO back in 2015-16, and that was the time where Satya has brought in the culture of hackathons within Microsoft, and that personally has inspired me. That vigor actually has buckled me up to do something more, something beyond, and that actually has driven me to start up this company called Add-on-Mo. So hackathons are definitely precursors of great startups. So I'm really glad to see like so many participants, like kind of that were at student at college level, like thinking beyond just paper presentations, beyond poster presentations, thinking about like hackathon level of ideas and participating in something, an idea or some kind of a startup thought that would actually make a change in the real society, in the world out there. So that thought itself is commendable. So first, I would like to congratulate each and every student who were part of this hackathon in the first place. And one important, school of thought in terms of like the hackathons versus reality, and I would like to add my 2 cents here, and I would like to have each and every one of you to give it a thought after leaving this meeting, is whether or not we are going to travel and take this idea to reality. So that's where like most of the startups or most of the ideas would die. As one of the dignitaries have mentioned, India is a place where we do have like quite a lot of ideas. And I'm sure like lots of our friends, our seniors are like, including some of our parents would obviously say that, hey, I always used to have this idea, but I was afraid to take that risk. I was afraid to take that leap of faith into that idea. I was afraid of taking that jump from idea into execution. So that's where I want you guys to make a difference, guys. So like whenever you see an idea, whenever you have an idea, and don't think it as a competition perspective. Don't look at it as, it's an idea and let me take it to a certain level. Let me take it to a level where I win a competition. Let me take it to a level where I win a hackathon. So let's start thinking beyond that. Countries like Japan, countries like China, countries like US, the reason they are being progressive is like people have been like kind of finding, how Facebook was found, right? Facebook was found out of college. Google was found out of college. Hotmail was found out of college. So it's the students like who are having these innovative thoughts that are making difference across the world. And I want us guys to be part of that. I want you guys to make the difference. I want like one of these like 70-80 participants of this hackathon, one of these like finalists out here, to come up with a real world problem solving solution, a company out there. So all these like kind of companies are started out like whenever it starts out of college, like kind of when studying in IIM, that's when Swiggy was born. When Harsha was trying to solve a company, solve a problem where of like, you know, food delivery within Bangalore in his college. And that's when Swiggy was born. And Airbnb. So name any company which is out there. So the companies are formed when at a real world problem, and the only thing is the founders are taking that extra mile. They are running that extra mile, not stopping it, thinking of it just like an idea for a competition. They are looking at it like a solution for the existing problem out there in the society. So that's something I want I want you guys to take back today. Like, kind of, don't just stop. This is just the beginning. Don't just think this is the last day of the hackathon. Just think of your day one of implementation into reality. So this is day one. So let's take that thought back. And I always like kind of the mantra that keeps me driving. Like when I was in US, I came back to India. I founded one startup. I sold that. I did my MBA in ISB, and then I founded my second startup. So one mantra that keeps me driving at all the times, and I wanted to share that mantra today with everyone is, I haven't come this far to only come this far. So I haven't come this far only to come this far, guys. So keep that mantra driving you. You have come this far to hackathon and you don't want to stop here. So I want you all to take that thought behind. And guys, ideas won't change the world. Implementation and execution does change the world, guys. All the very best, each and everyone. Thank you all.
Thank you, Seven, and wonderful interaction with our students. I request now Mr. Sadasiv talk of the AICTE.
Thank you for a very nice, full and inspirational space. So basically, I thank all the team members of KL University. So let's start from the students who has given their best during these 3 days of hackathon. And before the hackathon also, they have started working on their project. I think in the month of November, the problem statements were out, and the team started working on these problem statements. So some of the problem statement, because we had Central Warehousing Corporation and Central Water Commission and National Mission for Clean Ganga and Tripura Institute of Technology on behalf of Government of Tripura. So they had submitted problem statement in both the category, software and hardware. So these problem statements are specifically like Android applications or web applications which are required for their ministry itself. Today I spoke to the evaluators. They were quite happy with the evaluation, with the ideas that teams had submitted. So I specifically thank all the team members who have participated during this grand finale hackathon. Making to the grand finale is itself a very big task, because I have the numbers. I can share you the numbers. We have around 5 lakh of students who have participated in the campus level hackathon. 3.5 lakhs who have directly, and almost we can consider this number as 5 lakhs because some students are also initially rejected by the college level hackathon. So then we have, I think we have 11,924 had submissions for the central level. Which they had filtered it out, and for problem statement they had selected 4 to 5 ideas, 4 to 5 teams, and those teams who are participating for the grand finale. We have I think 1,081 teams initially we had shortlisted for grand finale, and out of 7,000 some teams, and presently at for CWC and for Tripura, we have the nodal center KL University. For the other ministries, we have a different nodal center. 40 nodal centers we have for this grand finale. Last year we had 48 nodal centers. Because of the pandemic, we reduced the size, and next year maybe we are going to have the regular hackathon, like physical hackathon, which is fun as well, because in a 3 days 36-hour hackathon at a nodal institute, it's a fun, like 10,000 students traveling from like Kashmir student traveling to Kanyakumari student traveling to Northeast region. So this is a very wonderful event that I think the government of India had started in 2017 and been continued. I have been working for this initiative since last two editions, and there are only 2-3 people. My director, innovation director, Dr. Mohit Gambhir, Dr. Abhay Jare, and me, who were supporting from AICD side, and rest some people, because of considering the importance the AICT had started promoting this event in a national level, because Prime Minister since last 4 editions, Prime Minister come each time and address all the participants during this grand finale event. This year also Prime Minister had address on 1st August. So this is important. This event is specifically important from 2 ways. First is it creates a competitive mindness in all the students who are participating. Second thing is also a product innovation, and it promotes to startup culture of India. Because in 2018, I am looking after 11 startups which AICT had funded 10 lakh rupees to its startup. And this year also, yesterday only we had a discussion, and we are planning to promote those startups with those ideas which has good potential for startups or deployment. So we every time we write to the ministry to deploy the project or to give internship to the students. Last year we initiated private companies into this platform, and there were several big private companies who joined, and this year also 20 or 25 around companies, private companies, who had submitted problem statement along with 50 around central government departments, ministries. We also had state governments departments which had submitted problem statements. Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, and Tripura is already at KL University. So many state governments are also supported in certain ways, because they also feel that like हमारे यहाँ पे ऐसा चलता है कि note sheets. What you do is that everything, if you need a pen in government, you'll have to take signature of 2-3 people, because this is a bureaucracy.
Sadasiva sir.
Hi, Sadashiv, I think you are on mute. You went on to mute.
Okay, sorry. Yeah. Now is it audible, sir? Okay. Thank you. So what I was saying is, for the digital India movement, I think Prime Minister has supported this initiative, because Smart India Hackathon, this software edition specifically promotes this digital movement. Last year, we took further step, another step, like organizing Singapore India Hackathon. In 2018, we started. Second edition we conducted in IIT Madras. Honorable Prime Minister had also joined. This year also, we are planning for Portugal India ASEAN Hackathon. And the students who are going to be the winner in Smart India Hackathon will get a chance to participate in these hackathons. Those students who couldn't make it to the couldn't be winner, they will also not be left behind. We are also in some of the initiative we try considering those students who couldn't win, because reaching out to the grand finale is also a very big thing. They get certificates signed by higher officials of MHRD, which is also a very it's a very exceptional thing you will not get in any other platform. So I think Smart India Hackathon over the years, in the 2017 itself, we had registered for world biggest hackathon, and the number has been increasing since last 4 editions. Like in 2017, only 42,000 students who were directly involved, and now we have 3.5 lakh students who are directly involved. Last year, directly involved 2.5 lakh. So each year the number is increasing. So we are not much caring about numbers anymore, because we have already proved to be world's biggest hackathon. What we are caring is quality of the idea. And specifically, we had mentioned that those problem statements which do not have good ideas, please straight away reject these all the ideas. We don't need to give them any prize money or any. We don't need to declare any winners in these kind of problem statements, because promoting quality is also a parameter of Smart India Hackathon. And on this basis, we are going to have next hackathons, international hackathons, and also funding for startups. So thank you all the team members, evaluators who have given like since last 3 days, last 4 days. I know they have been working tirelessly, and they have given their best. Today morning I spoke to all the evaluators, so I felt a kind of positiveness among these evaluators. And also I'd like to thank Professor Mekla and Rajguru sir, because your continuous coordination with me was very tirelessly. You have coordinated with me, and you made it a very grand success. All the organizing committee member of KL University, because I could only interact with some of them, and rest I can see in this group. They have been very active in the group. Whatever thing I suggest, Professor Mekla says, sir, don't worry, sir, we'll do it. So that kind of positiveness I felt with the people of KL University. So I specifically thank all the organizing committee of KL University, Vice Chancellor sir, Vice President and President sir of KL University. Thanks for joining us. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
University is one of the big success in that. A lot of cultural change was happened in our entrepreneurship system. And Narendra Modi's speech is one of the highlight of any hackathon. That's what everybody believes that. Now it's the time. All the participants, be ready for the announcement of winners of each of the problem statement. I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor Garu to announce the winners of each of the problem statement.
Before I announce the winners of this event, I once again reiterate the winning is not the only success. I really believe that every team is a winner, and all individual students, it's a great success for every one of you. So don't get disappointed with if you're not a winner here. You're already a winner. Every one of you is already a winner. So let me announce the winners of this event. I want to congratulate all the teams and all the participants in this event. Finally, grand finale of SIH 2020 software version. Problem statement BK263, Central Warehousing Corporation. Winning team is Brainianix 101. Rakshit Satija.
So please switch on your camera, team.
Congratulations. Second problem statement DB126, Tripura Institute of Technology. Utkarsh 2020 is the team winner. Congratulations. Veeraj stand up.
Please switch on your camera, team. Please switch on your camera.
Yeah. Next problem statement is PG179, National Mission for Clean Ganga, DOWR-RD. Winning team is Blink. Satyam Kumar, congratulations.
Selected to go ahead with such a.
Thank you, sir, and well done.
Problem statement SK 153, Central Warehouse Water Commission, Ministry of Jal Shakti. Team is the Primes, Tejas. Congratulations. Next problem statement is SK 155. Central Water Commission, Ministry of Jal Shakti. Winning team is Hydro Ox, Vishnu Priya. Congratulations. I wholeheartedly congratulate all the winning teams and also the teams who participated in this. I wish the good luck, all the best to the students in all their future endeavors. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir.
To all their videos. All
Now,
the
feedback. We expect feedback from the student teams. Let us come.
I'll make a move.
Yeah, yes. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Please go ahead.
Now, I request the teams leaders especially to have your feedback. What made you to think on this problem statement and what are the experiences that you made, right? One by one. Who's coming first?
Okay, sir. I will go first.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. Hello, sir. My name is Satyam, and I am from Team Blink. And first of all, I would like to congratulate and really give claps for the hard work of my team. They have really done a great job. I was, frankly speaking, I was just a little bit guiding them, and they did the job really very good, to the point. And that's what oh, the work of all the team members really showed up. And finally, we in the result we can see. And as per the hackathon, it was really well organized, even though it was pandemic situation and it was virtually. So, but then also using the digital technologies like Slack and then Teams and other technologies, it was really well organized. So, congratulate to you all organizers also for organizing it so well and making this SIH 2020 really successful. Yeah, thank you.
Congrats, Mr. Good luck. Satyam Kumar, congrats. Okay. Who is coming? Who is this?
Sir, I am Virat Sande. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I am Virat Sande, representing Team Utkarsh. Problem statement tossed by the.
You need to sit light facing you. We're not able to see you. There is already a lot of light because of the winning. You need to have some physical light as well.
So I'm very happy. So, sir, now and I on this moment I remember all those things, endless meeting, long hour of coding, and we did for almost for 4 months. We were so excited to explain this enthusiasm in our environment at Nodal Center, but we didn't get a chance to attend SIH on site. And we had very much questions about how online hackathon will be able to present our work properly, will jury members can see our work. But truly it was an awesome experience. We experienced that enthusiasm, got suggestions, got appreciated for our work. We learned how to represent at national level, how to give quick, feasible and innovative solutions on suggestions. Despite being in a pandemic situation, this national event of 3 days went really well virtually. I would like to thank all the mentors and evaluators to available whenever we needed through several platforms. Thank you for connecting with us and helping us. Most importantly, giving us a challengeable task, which really helped us to push and go beyond our limits. Even though some of the things seemed impossible to us, but we explored and gave our best to come up with a solution successfully. On behalf of the team, I would like to thank each of and everyone involved in this hackathon, our problem statement creator, AIC team, then MHRD, Innovation Cell, our Honorable Prime Minister, and our college, dear Don Bosco, to giving us this opportunity to present our talent at a national level. We will always cherish this experience. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
PK 263, Rakshit Satija. The team name Vanitas. Rakshit Satija.
Brainiacs, anyone from Team Brainiacs?
PG 179, Already.
Yeah, it's full.
SK 153, the team name, the Primes.
Anyone from team The Primes?
The leader name Tejas.
I think it was done there.
Hydrohawks?
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah. So, first of all, a grand thanks to the Nodal Center, KL University and AICT who have successfully conducted this online edition of Smart India Hackathon 2020. And in this special occasion, I would like to mention the names of all my team members, Vishnu Priya, Lavanya Prati, Sivasanjeevi, Surya Murthy and Surya Pushpa, without whom this project wouldn't have been a great success. And the unsung heroes, our mentors of our college, Mr. Umakant and Mrs. Priyanka, they helped us very lot in getting through this. And this has been a very cherishable and enjoyable experience. It never seemed like a virtual hackathon. It gave the same feeling as of the on-site hackathon. We learned many insights and we learned many new things from this hackathon. This has given us many great takeaways. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Anybody is there from
Any other?
TB 126?
Sir, this is Lavanya from Hydrohawks.
Yes. Yes, please.
Am I audible? Yes, we
Yes.
the team Hydrohawks are extremely elated to share this moment with you. First of all, thank you so much for KL University for organizing this virtual hackathon in a best way. So we are extremely elated and will cherish this moment forever. Our team coordination was very good, and we have learned several new things during this virtual hackathon. We have all the valuable suggestions of the evaluators have truly helped us to develop better solutions for the problem statement. Thank you, everyone. Thank you once again.
From BK 263.
Anyone from team?
I think team, you should switch on your camera because this is the last moment we can take a screenshot of this event.
The leader name Rakshit.
Yeah, yes, come.
Rakshit, are you there? For problem statement BK 263.
Rakshit, unmute yourself. Come on, video line. Unmute, please. Please unmute. You have to unmute, Rakshit. Please come into the video mode.
Yeah.
Okay, so I request Dr. Mekala to say a vote of thanks.
Yes, a warm and graceful good afternoon to our beloved Vice Chancellor, sir, Dr. LSS Reddy, sir, who has given a massive support to make this program successful. And I would like to thank our Honorable Director, Development and CEO of Incubation Center, Dr. GPS Sharma, sir, so who has become as a shadow and then headed this team and the right instructor where to do and what to do and exactly to meet the entails of the program. And then I believe that with this immense support, we make this program grand success, and we are hearing the resounding of the success also. And then it's my privilege to be a part of this program. And I would like to acknowledge the contribution of those who have worked hardly to make this program success. And I would like to thank Sadasiva sir, so who has given a massive support. So 25/7, as per the queries what we have regarding that the Slack and regarding the tools and regarding the doubts whatever we have. So I would like to thank MHOD people. So Piyush Gupta sir from Jal Shakti and Saket Kumar sir from Central Warehousing and Arpat sir from Central Warehousing also corporation. So I would like to thank all these dignitaries so who has given their consent to finalize the teams. And then I would like to thank our Professor Harikiran sir for arranging all the manpower and then media, all manpower and fulfilling all the entities of the program. And I would like to thank Rajshekhar sir who has put his efforts to arrange the speakers. I mean the quality of the speakers instantly as well from the government sector as well from the industries. And finally, I would like to thank my core team, evaluators, coordinators and the volunteers and social media coordinators, especially Suryakiran sir and Kunasri ma'am, so who has contributing their efforts for making this program grand success. And we also received a good applause from MHOD and then SIH 2020 team for the evaluation perspective. Thank you, and all. So thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, Mr. Saran. Thank you.
Let's give big applause to Michaela who has done a wonderful activity from last 10 days without a sleep.
Thank you, sir.
And on the side, when evaluators and jury is a wonderful job from last 1 week actually, and IT coordinators and social media activities and Suryakiran and Rajshekhar and run a wonderful job in this. So let's give a big applause to all of this. And other side, AICT from last 6 months working with Gambhir and Ajay Jare and AICT team. Let's all give a big applause to them. Sadasivam. And finally, the efforts and this wouldn't have been a success without the participants, and you are the key person with key brain behind this activity, and you're the future of this world, and you deserve the big applause from all of us. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, and we are closing this session. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Saran. Just print out. First day, second day, complete report you have.